I used Ofada rice to make fried rice and called it Ofried rice. Please let me know if this name is acceptable, and if you like it, that's after watching. I mean, there's no rule that says that Ofada rice can only be eaten plain with Ofada stew. So friends, let's make Ofada fried rice together. For this recipe, I'm going to be doing something different to build flavor for the Ofada rice. So to my blender, I will add some green bell peppers, green scotch bonnet, spring onions, then water. I will bring this to a smooth blend. When this is done, set it aside. A quick tip for those who have been asking, how can I make my fried rice green? Just blend this up and add to your fried rice and it will be green with envy. Alright, blending is done, so I will add a little butter in a pan and add the parboiled rice. I will toast this for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can definitely use vegetable oil for this, it's just that butter will add a bit more flavor to this dish. I'll also add rosemary and bay leaves. I was supposed to add these earlier but I forgot, but it's okay, it can still go in now. Then add the green blend and chicken stock if you have. If you don't, add stock cubes and salt. I recommend that you sieve this green paste if you don't want to deal with the fiber, because as you go on cooking, it will look like your rice is mushy, but trust me, it is not. Just cook with less water and your rice will be good. Tasted and I felt it could use a bit more stock cube, which I added. While the rice is cooking, in another pan, add diced onions and garlic, fry till translucent. Then throw in carrots, green and red bell peppers, some sweet corn, basically all the things that you need to make your fried rice. Now season the vegetables lightly. Then add some fried assorted that's been cut into bite sizes. Fry these on medium heat for about 5 minutes before adding the cooked Ofada rice. Now the Ofada rice is ready. You know Ofada rice is brown, and if it was not brown, this will be even greener than this. Yeah, so it's time to add this to the fried vegetables. Stir to combine and fry for another 2 minutes, and just like that, we have made absolutely delicious and flavorful Ofried rice. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this recipe. Share this with someone so they see another way to cook Ofada rice. I will see you soon with another recipe. Thank you for watching.